Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond Boundaries. In this special episode, we'll be talking about the inspirational journey that transformed the future of education. We are honored that we have today with us Ms. Shivani, the principal of SD Vidya Mandir. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
It's a privilege sitting just next to you.
Thank you so much having me here only, and I'm really honored that you people have come here to take this interview. And I would love to answer your questions because I'm finding it interesting. I'm finding it like it will be an exciting interview.
Definitely, even I'm excited. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, I know that you started your career as a science teacher और हम सबको पता है वो कितना full of experiments होता है. तो कोई एक funny experiment जो आप हमसे share करना चाहेंगे?
You know, when I started teaching science, the students were of class 9th and 10th, and you know how naughty they are.
Yes.
So that time when I started working, we do not have proper labs there only. So I was like, we were just talking about dispersion of light. So I brought a prism to my class. So I was just putting it, I just put it on my table, and we were just, looking for the dispersion of light, and we were trying our hard, but it was not there. So all the kids were like only, ma'am, we have our coats along with us. Can we put all the coats on all the windows so that it will be a dark around and we can see the light? And then at the end of the, that experiment, when we see all the spectrum and all the lights on that wall, they started screaming like anything, and they said, oh wow, this prism has 7 lights, we didn't know about it. So that was my first day when I was able to show the things that it's learning by doing, and we should never give up. So these, there are endless experiments, endless things we have done in class, but that first day I never forget. That was the wonderful thing, and that cheer and that, that happiness on their face, that was really good.
Indeed. And ma'am, the way you said learning by doing, experiential learning, that's all what NEP is talking about. And you've talked about the experiments. But as teachers, we always go plan. Lesson plans बना के जाएंगे, सब कुछ pre-plan. But हर चीज़ वैसे होती नहीं है.
Right.
Experiments भी unexpected results
Right.
तो आप उन students को उस situation में how do you make them react that it's okay?
You won't believe that there was a Diwali celebration, and I've told all of my students to bring one chart from their home and they need to put up on the walls so that we can celebrate Diwali. And it was, we used to celebrate Diwali with the Cleanliness Day also.
That's nice.
So I entered a class, and the class was full of, charts on the walls. And I saw one child has put up a chart of the female reproductive system on the wall. And I was shocked to see what is this. But I didn't find it, in that way, they have put it intentionally. They were like, ma'am, we were studying this chapter, you told us to make the charts and we have put it. So why every time Ganesh and Lakshmi on there only? This we need to study. So from there only, I was like, I should take all those things in a positive way. I should encourage these, kids in that way, that I should not say, and this, from that very day until my today, this has helped me a lot in understanding these adolescents. Those who have a lot of, queries, a lot of zeal, those of lot of anxiety, those of lot of things in their mind, and we should take it in a positive way.
Very positive.
We laughed a lot. That was the funniest thing that happened in my class. So sometimes experiments go wrong also when you'll not, define them that what you need to make.
Exactly.
You just have to make something. You need to, what, why, how. If you'll not tell, so then, things come out in that way also.
Exactly. And that's the beautiful result that comes out
exactly.
of it. Great. And the way you tell that you have done science as well as psychology, which is very fascinating. So do you think psychology really helped you in understanding kids and the students in a certain way?
Yes, when I started science that time, I was like, I want to become a doctor in my life, but somehow I couldn't manage it.
Okay.
So I was like, how? By what means I can help people? So then I was like, science is a subject, it's an interesting subject, and as a medical student, it's an interesting subject. But I should do something where I can understand human behavior as well. So I opted for doing this post-graduation in psychology, and I go beyond that also.
That's nice.
And I've done a specialization in clinical psychology along with the child counseling.
Oh, wow.
So it really helped me a lot in understanding human beings also, in understanding my students. And when I become a principal, that time also, along with my leadership qualities, these particular skills, this my knack of this knowledge of psychology helped me a lot in understanding human beings, whether it is my staff or it is my, non-teaching staff or my students or the parents. So, my parents come along with the kind of inhibition in them, ki my kids is not studying well, or then I always, that knowledge of psychology always helped me in understanding their point of view also. their thoughts also, for what purpose they are here, वो क्या चाहते हैं, मतलब स्कूल से उनको शिकायतें नहीं होती, वो स्कूल से एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम चाहते हैं कि जो हम नहीं कर पाए या हमारे साथ जो प्रॉब्लम है हम डील कैसे करें, बिकॉज नाउ अ डेज इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू हैंडल दीज स्टूडेंट्स, दीज किड्स. तो वो सब चीज़ों के लिए व्हेन दे सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम अस, सो दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दिस नॉलेज, दिस सब्जेक्ट, दिस हेल्प मी अ लॉट. मतलब आई कैन से दैट everybody should study psychology.
I am so curious. I hope I could learn something
yes,
from you.
Yes,
there.
It is important.
It is indeed, indeed. As you said that parents look up to you. Every parent is like, we don't want complaints. And you are handling school in such a level. Your leadership skills are really shown. When I was entering the school, I was seeing kids playing outside cricket with the coach. So you are planning things that they have a balance of extracurricular or padhai bhi na chute. In a way, that's very important nowadays. What do you have to say in that, Anna?
When I joined the school that time, I saw that kids are more into curricular activities and academics, but sports wala factor is, that X factor is missing. And I have come from a family where my lot of, family members are either in army or in police. And even my mother was a national hockey player.
Wow.
So I was like, and she has, she has hosted, she was an NCC cadet also. And so I was like, this is also a very important part. And being in a Haryana, it is very important, you have seen that in this Asian, this wrestling championships also. Out of 2019 players were from Haryana, and they have won also. They have qualified that also.
Yes.
So I was like, this is also very important. It's not about sports. It's about for their physical fitness, because a sound body has a sound mind. That is important, because if they keep on studying, they keep on sitting in the classes, they keep on learning things only, it will not work. They should be in the playground. They should play. They should take out their anger. They should take out their frustration.
Yes.
This is also very important.
Very important.
So keeping that thing in mind, and one thing which is very important, that we all are fascinated with cricket, and cricket is the passion of everyone. So we have made this cricket pitch, and we have made it particular specification that the kids should get a proper practice also.
Absolutely.
Along with that, we have thangta. We have a proper TT room also. So these things are really important for kids also, so that they'll take out their, inner energy. What I'll say that for every child, the most important thing is to channelize their energy.
Very important. Very important.
So that channelization of energy is specific. Maybe you are a music lover.
Yes.
I may be a sport person. Anybody else may be a dancer or craft or loves art.
Exactly.
So we should give a platform for everything, and there should be a space, a curriculum designed properly. So this psychology also helped me in designing that curriculum, making this thing for sure that every child should get a space for their inner skills, their aptitude, which is very important.
Very important.
Yes.
Very important. As you said, practice, and as Bruce Lee said, that I am not feared with a person who knows 10,000 ways, but I fear the person who knows one way 10,000 times better. So that's what practice does. And I know your school has a tremendous platform of conducted Olympiads. So what do you think? Why are they so important? Why every child should participate at one?
This Olympiads are really a very good platform right from the beginning. It's being, I can say that 20 years ago, I have also taken these Olympiad exams. My kids are also taking it, and I've seen a lot of people, those who are conducting it. These Olympiads are really important for their knowledge enhancement, their, their critical thinking, and that this is very important. Problem solving and quick decision making also. Because for Olympiads, quick decision making is really, because you have a fixed time frame. And
yes,
you need to complete those things in that also. Moreover, you are doing, apart from your curriculum, apart from your books, you're learning something beyond that. Because for your, your class, any of the class, this is fixed that you need to study these particular chapters. This will come in exam. But Olympiad, anything can come, and you need to prepare for it.
Exactly.
And the best part is when after clearing those Olympiads, and when there are medals, there are golds and silvers in around your neck, that gives a edge to other students.
Yeah.
And whenever I announce those winners and their names in the assembly, I always tell them, I always make them sit along with the audience, and then I call them. So I always tell the students, then what do you want? You want to be this side or that side? The ones with the medals?
Good question.
Or you want to be with the ones that just looking and applauding for others?
Yes.
And what do you want for that? So this is really good that this is giving a motivation, and every year, like first year we have 200, then 500, then 700. This year 1,200 students have participated in Olympiad in various ways.
That's a huge number.
That's from English, science and maths, GK.
Wow.
So this is again growing, and I always want that this should not stop in my school. This is again a very good type of a competition,
Yes.
and it should be there. It should be there.
Definitely.
And every child try it. Every child should try it. It's not about the ones those who are good in academics.
Yes.
Because it's about your quick decision making. It's your critical thinking, and sometime beyond the books.
Beyond the box.
That is also important.
Very
है ना?
important. Yes, yes, yes.
So that's the thing.
That's the thing. And ma'am, the way you said that, it's very important, going beyond the box. And that's what NEP and NCF is talking all over the world. So what do you really feel, that is there something that is missing, there should be added in it, other than experiential learning? What other parameters can be catered along with Olympiads?
देखो, this is again, Olympiad is related to academics.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
So, abhi Olympiad has started one more thing, that the Olympiad has started catering, that primary section also.
Yes.
Where they can do coloring, they can write few things, and they can go ahead with that. That's patterns also. So, I just want that competitions of these, this Olympiad at the state level, national level is going on, but the competitions of their particular skill, it's not about only academics. There should be something. There should be something for their, skills of dance. There should be some Olympiads of art. There should be some Olympiad of writing skills. There are good writers. There are good, there are people, those who speak very well. There should be someone those who can write well for others.
Yes.
So there should be something else apart from that also, because it is going on for so many years that kids are writing, they are learning, they are doing this academics in the various, these academic subjects.
Yes.
But it should be beyond that also. Some skill subject should also be introduced
Very important.
in Olympiads. That should also be there.
Very
Creative thinking, design thinking, that can also be there. Fashion designing.
Fashion designing.
है ना?
Everybody's
And,
talking about
हाँ,
fashion.
fashion and travel vloggers.
Travel bloggers, we have so many on
Yes,
YouTube.
exactly. So this kind of curriculum should also be added in Olympiads.
Definitely.
That is also required.
That's a true visionary that we have with us. It really feels proud.
Thank you.
ma'am. No one talks about such things. It's about opportunities, and we know that it's all out there. But there's a lack of guidance. And since you're a psychologist, that's why you could ask that question to the students कि आपको कौन सी side रहना है? आपको clapping वाली side रहना है, that you want to be on the stage. So you can only ask that.
This is a way of motivating them, है ना? मतलब instead of telling them please give a big hand, then they keep on clapping for the people. But we should encourage them about it. Maybe the child wanted to, participate, but because of some reason the child is not able to do it, or maybe some other issues. So that inner, fire, or that should be ignited.
Very, very much needed to ignite that fire.
That ignition is more important.
Very important.
Yes, exactly.
Coming to ignition, exams are just going on. And this stress, anxiety, हम सबको बहुत बहुत परेशान करती है. हम सबके results पे भी effect आता है. तो मैम, क्योंकि आप psychologist रहे हैं, आपको ऐसी एक्टिविटी या टेक्निक कुछ ऐसा कराते हैं स्कूल में जिससे बच्चों को लगे कि हाँ, we can also take a breather and get out of that room to just get that fresh air or anything?
देखो, I have, I've started a lot of practices in my school. Like, I've never made sections on the basis of these are the weak students, these are the good students. But at the end of the year, when the stress level is increasing to above the brim, at that time what I decide that I will have those kids along with us, and we always name them a crystal section, a pearl section, a diamond section.
That's beautiful.
Like this, so that they'll not feel that we are the ones those who are below average. So we call them, we give them extra classes, and those extra classes are not the typical extra classes. They are like only the points which they want to ask, which they want to, to be catered, to be questioned, whether it is math, science, or whatever be the subject is, and with whatever teacher they want. Because we have a fixed timetable. Teachers are teaching them since for a whole year and all. If they want that, we don't want to study from this teacher, but for this particular time, we want to study from this teacher. I love this teacher.
Yeah.
So I always tell these teachers, just don't take it to your heart. If they love someone and they want to listen, they want to get their queries done from them, please do it.
Please do.
So this is one factor which we do. Side by side, I do a lot of counseling sessions also. There were group counseling sessions out, and there are personal counseling sessions also. For group counseling sessions, we talk about how to discipline yourself, how to schedule your time, how to do revision work, how to take the care of yourself, self-care, hygiene, nutrition. Because I have seen girls, those who don't eat anything during exam and they fall ill.
Yes, they do.
And even few, those who are toppers, So it's better to, get hydrated, get proper nutrition, and then you can study. And as far as this long study hours, you can take a break. You can take a break by listening to your favorite music.
Yes.
You can watch a series for 20 minutes in between. If you have a craving, you can scroll your Instagram also.
Okay.
So that's give a kind of a what I say, a booster. Huh? That is also important.
Yes,
And
very
if you love to have any good food in between, you can have it. You can order it. So these are various things which I tell them. It's not the traditional or typical thing. Okay, you should study, wake up early in the morning, because few are morning people, few are night people.
Yes.
So I give them a freedom about it. Don't think about it. मुझे सुबह 5 बजे उठ के पढ़ना है. If you feel sleepy and you don't have a habit of getting up early in the morning, then there is no use. What's the point? I'm the person who study whole night and I don't wake up early in the morning.
Look where you are.
So it is okay. It is okay. Everything is okay as far as you are balanced. You don't think too much, and you can plan your things. That's fine. That's okay with me. So I always tell to these counseling sessions, these motivating sessions, taking this group counseling, personal counseling, and giving them a proper, detailed description of the curriculum which they have, missed. You won't believe, even for class 9, we start from subtraction and addition and division also, if they don't know about it. And I always tell them, don't think about it what people will think. Everybody sitting in your class is of the same, mindset, age group, and of the same IQ level also. Yes. So at this is the last time when you can ask about it. And by God grace, my class 10 students have done wonderfully good in this board exam. They all were very happy when they were coming back. Ma'am, paper was so easy, pre-board was so tough. You have made our pre-board so tough, but boards is easy comparatively. So we have prepared them beforehand, and that is more important.
Ma'am, you could do that. The result.
You know what?
Yeah.
For my players, the students, those are players, and they keep on playing whole year, and they keep on bringing these medals to us. At the end, they were blank. Ma'am, kuch nahi aata. So I always made my coaches and my cricketers, my coaches and sports teachers to sit along with them, so that they'll feel comfortable along with their coaches. And they learn, and they show up with that, sir. Now you can ask any question from us.
So I'm confident.
So they're confident.
Very confident.
Instead of sending them to the strict teacher or something like that, it will be difficult for them.
Very difficult.
But अपने coaches के साथ बैठ के question learn कर रहे हैं, उनको सुना रहे हैं, और बीच में डांट खा रहे हैं, मस्ती भी कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा किया.
बहुत उससे मजा आया.
I have a player who has got a national में gold medal लेकर आया, वो boxer.
Wow.
But 10th में उसका maths में बिल्कुल ही he was 0. So for last 1 month he was studying and he was working hard. So I've always giving him a support. But it's okay, it's fine if you want somebody else to teach you. मैम मुझे अपने कोच सर से ही पढ़ना है. हाँ पढ़ो, कोई बात नहीं. I'll give you a room, just sit, learn. This is very important.
नहीं मैम, जैसे आपने कहा कि मैं जो बच्चे हैं उनसे पूछती हूँ कि आपको कौन सी टीचर प्रेफर करनी है, और आपने यहाँ पे बैलेंसिंग करी, विन-विन सिचुएशन. आपने टीचर्स को भी समझा दिया कि नहीं आप ऐसे मत सोचो.
This is important because teachers will be taking revenge at the end ना. मुझसे नहीं पढ़ा, अच्छा वो सर अच्छे लगते हैं.
That mindset needs to be changed, and you're doing it both ways. So that's very important. क्योंकि एक रैपो बन जाता है मैम. जैसे you and me are making a rapport. This rapport building is also very important.
देखो, मैंने conventional method से कभी नहीं पढ़ाना. मतलब मैं why I came into this principalship.
Yes.
Because when I was a student, I was like, teachers are really good. उनके बहुत मजे हैं. When I become a teacher, I was like, no, I should be into the system to change the system.
To have the power.
To have the power. That is more important. So when I become a principal, so when there is no foundation about it to make rules and all, so I always try कि मुझे as a psychologist also I have to think beyond that. I have to be at that side, and then I should think about it. कि if I am a student, if I am a teacher, मुझे क्या चाहिए, मुझे कैसे पढ़ना है. So that conventional, traditional methods को मैं बिल्कुल break करती हूँ. थोड़ा सा चलना पड़ता है टाइम टेबल और डिसिप्लिन को, बट अदरवाइज इट इज beyond classroom. Teaching is beyond boundaries, like Rabindranath Tagore has done. So that in Shanti Niketan. So I want my school to be like this only, that as every child loves to come to my school or their school. So this is a happy school and a happy classroom. My
very happy
motto and vision is happy classroom and happy.
That's a great vision. When I entered the classroom, I felt that happiness vibe. So vibe is also very important.
Yes.
If there's no vibe, there will be no zeal. बच्चों को पता होना चाहिए वाइब का मतलब क्या होता है.
वाइब करते हैं
बट कैसा वाइब, चिल वाला वाइब या जेन्युइन वाइब, व्हाट्स दैट डिफरेंस?
These are Gen Zs, you know.
Yeah, Gen Zs, Gen Alphas, all are coming.
Even they don't consider us millennial. We are like beyond, far behind that. So in that term, I can say that these Gen Zs have a lot of energy also. They have got a lot of knowledge also because they have access to the internet. And
Yes.
somewhere they are knowledgeable. I can say that there are a lot of things which we don't know, but they know about it.
Yes.
But sir, need to be guided properly at the right time without giving them lot of foundations. I don't believe in that. Don't give mobile to them. Don't allow them to watch this. Don't give them this. No, give them just with the proper instruction, and there should be a supervision. But that supervision should not be a hidden supervision that you put on camera, you see it from behind. No, it should be with you.
You need to trust them.
Yes, that is more. That is the most important point you have to trust.
Trust.
Empathy, trust. These are the two keywords which is very important for this particular age group.
Very important.
Yes.
We have to be indulge and not engage with them.
Yes,
Exactly.
exactly. And you know what? When you're telling something to someone, and if you have this thing in your mind that the person don't trust me, whatever you are saying, that person don't trust me. So you'll not have that confidence to tell the truth. So it's better
Yes.
that the truth should be there in the eyes of both the people, whether they are your parents or your teachers or your friends.
Or your friend.
Yes. So that trust only comes when you are free to express your feeling.
You're
Anna?
free to do that.
Yes, yes.
We are a free country, then why not to have that freedom even in the talk?
Exactly. That is important.
Obviously, there's a mindset that you have to think before speak. But if you don't have that rapport, you would be just thinking, and you will fear to talk about it. And that fear will kill that vibe.
Right.
Very well said, ma'am. और मैम जैसे भी आपने कहा कि मैं सारी टीनेजर्स और गर्ल्स और एडोलेसेंट्स को सब एक अच्छे से उस पे लेवल पे लेकर आती हूँ, तो ऐसा स्ट्रेस लेवल तो है, ये एंग्जाइटी आपने बहुत अच्छे से केटर कराया. कोई एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी, कोई फन गेम जो आप मुझे भी बताना चाहें, हमारी ऑडियंस को भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, आई एम श्योर. Anything that you suggest?
Because for psychological, aspect, there are a lot of tests also, and there are a lot of activities also. For tests, a few kids are scared. Okay, why we are being examined? Why we have been tested? Is there anything, wrong with us? Yes. Is there any disorder with us? And even parents are, reluctant to do that. So there are some fun activities by whom, these are very simple activities where you can take out the things from a introvert person, and a child who's an introvert who doesn't open up easily.
Shy.
Exactly. So let's start an activity.
Let's do it.
Okay. This is truth and dare. Okay. So nowadays kids love to take dare.
Yes.
They are very what I can say that they are very excited, challenging. They love to take challenges.
Yes.
So this is truth and dare. Whatever you get it from the market, that truth and dare is having a lot of questions which is not even suitable for our kids. Okay. So I've made it myself, and there are a lot of questions in it. Okay. So the rule is you need to take out one card from it.
Okay.
And before taking up this card, you need to tell me that whether you want to tell me the truth or you want to take a dare.
Okay.
Fine?
Yes, let's do it.
So let's start.
So I have to pick a card.
Pick a card, and then before picking the card, you need to tell me whether you want to take a truth or a dare.
Okay. So as ma'am told us that I have to tell first that if I'm choosing truth or dare. So I choose dare.
So you can pick up a card.
Okay. Let's go.
Give it to me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Can you change your Facebook relationship status to getting married?
Okay. I can't say can I think about it or I have to do it just because I said
It should
it.
be random.
Okay. I'll do it right after this.
So there's a laptop here. You
Okay,
can do it. You should
want
do
me
it.
to do it? I'll do it. I'll do it.
Take out another card.
Okay. This time I'll take truth. Okay. Now you will see the truth.
The truth.
Yes.
What's the weirdest dream you have ever had?
Okay. That's actually a bit funny. The dream was that there was a lion who was just poking me. Okay. It was lion. We know it's a wild animal, but still it was poking me like a domestic animal. I was in my room. Okay. It was not even a jungle, like a cuddle. Okay. So that was the weirdest, but a cute dream, I would say.
That's fine. So we have a lot of other cards also. I'll show you if this is another card. Like if you switch genders for a day, what would you do?
That's a good question. That's a good question.
And you know what? Nowadays, as you have seen that kids, we should respect, this LGBT community also. Yes. Transgenders are also there. So everybody should be respected. And this male chauvinism or female empowerment, I don't believe in anything. It's like everybody is equal.
Everybody is equal.
A boy can also cry, yaar. Huh?
Of
He can express his feelings. And a girl can also has his own, ways to show off his power or whatever the girl wants.
True.
So it should also be there, because this question is really important, that if you have to switch your gender,
Yes.
whether a girl is sitting in front of me, so the girl can tell me if I'll be a boy, what I'll do. है ना?
It'll let her think.
Yes, exactly. Maybe she has some grudges against boys, and she wanted to say, if I'll be a boy, I'll punch someone, I'll propose someone, or I'll jump from some place, I'll drive, है ना? Or I'll ride a motorbike, anything. So for boys also, it's like कि if I would be a girl, so maybe I've got answers like कि I would love to be in a place where this gossiping session is going on.
Now boys are very much interesting.
Yes.
My brother, he's like, you tell me, क्या हुआ था आज office में?
Exactly.
I was like, everything was good. No, tell me more. So he's so much interested in all those gossips. जबकि पहले ये सब अच्छा सिर्फ girls करिए ना तो gossip है. So nothing is gender specific. With this question of yours, you're even bifurcating that it's nothing that specific for a gender. So that's great, ma'am.
So these kind of activities we do by taking out their things like, what's your favorite part of your body?
I would say nose. I love my nose.
It's beautiful. I can say that.
What about you? What's your favorite part of the body?
I love my hands.
But that's nice. See? So this way the kids can actually answer.
I can say that whenever I feel low, I look at my hands and like, oh, they are beautiful. At least I've got something very beautiful. So it all depends. When you feel that, this gives you a kind of a immunity booster, a kind of a body boost, self-confidence. So these questions, they're very simple questions, but I frame them by taking care that it should be at the
Age specific.
age specific also, and moreover it helped them to take out their insights. And if it is in the form of game, so they don't have to think too much about it,
Exactly.
and they'll not be like they can ma'am is judgmental about us. It's only a game.
It's only a game.
It's only a game.
आपने मुझे इतना interested कर दिया था इसके लिए.
It's a good thing. You can try any time. It's a very beautiful thing.
जैसे ये सिर्फ एक body part का question था. लेकिन इससे I'm feeling good about my body even to tell you like that. I can brag that I have a beautiful nose. You can brag too in front of your friends. Do play this game. That's great, ma'am. It feels.
You've got a beautiful hair. You've got a beautiful eyes. But the way we feel about ourselves. That is important. Yes.
It's okay to tell. It's not overconfident. It's not bragging. It's something that I'm telling you.
Right.
You told me.
And as you are a student, you are a college student also, you must have done a SWOT analysis also. Strength and weaknesses is the most important thing. If I'll ask any child, what is your strength? The child doesn't know about its strength also. Weakness सबको पता है, लेकिन strength नहीं पता. और जब सबको strength पता चल जाएगी ना, तो वो अपनी strength को अपनी power बना लेंगे.
और polish करेंगे.
Exactly. So मुझे अपनी strength पता थी कि I've got a leadership quality and I have a strength of helping people. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा passion था कि मुझे लोगों की help करनी है. चाहे मैं एज ए साइकोलॉजिस्ट करूँ, डॉक्टर बन के करूँ, प्रिंसिपल बन के करूँ, एजुकेटर बन के करूँ, सोशल वर्कर बन के हो, लेकिन मुझे लोगों की हेल्प करनी है. और वो उसका मेरे अंदर पैशन है, वो मेरी स्ट्रेंथ है. और मैं बहुत पेशेंट लिसनर भी हूँ. आई कैन लिसन टू मतलब एनीवन फॉर आवर्स. और देन आफ्टर दैट आई कैन गिव सोल्यूशन टू देम ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो माई स्ट्रेंथ. But I know about my weakness also, that even at a small scene on a movie, I started crying. And I have to hide myself. People are looking at me and why I'm crying, yeah. So that's not a weakness. Exactly. Again, I can see that this is again my strength, that I can express my emotions.
You can express your emotion.
The people, those who don't express their emotions, they burst out.
They do.
And you know what? These maximum cases where you'll find these suicidal tendencies, this is all because they are not able to express themselves.
Very important.
They are not able to, take out their emotions. Yes. So this is very important.
Very important.
You've seen various clubs, laughter clubs, various clubs where you cry, you laugh.
You're so loud. It's like
exactly.
everything on the table.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
It's very important.
When
Bottle up ho jate
you can sing in a washroom, when you can sing openly, and when you can dance in front of everyone, that means it's a win-win situation.
It's a win-win situation. Why do you shy? Yeah,
I do that.
You do that. Indeed. Everyone should do that. If you will do it, you will be the guiding light. Everybody thinks, if Principal Ma'am can do it, why can't I?
My son is always after my life. Whenever there is an event, abhi this holy event is there, I was just talking about it. I'll prepare a dance, a holy dance, Rang Rasi and all that, along with two of my teachers and my dance teacher. So I was just making a video of it, as we always make it, just to practice it at home.
Practice.
Why you are doing it? Why you are a part of this dance? मैंने कहा because I would love to dance. So नहीं, but why you? You're a principal, mama. Why you cannot dance? मैं कहा because I'll be the inspiring person. I'll dance. Everybody will dance.
Inspiring person.
So this is आज हमारी जो generation है ना, उसको ये बहुत है कि ifs and buts बहुत है उनके.
बहुत है.
So we need to take them out from that
Yes.
and make them free, so that they can express themselves freely. This is the main motto to take up, by which you can take them out of the stress.
Exactly.
This is important. And their anxiety also.
Exactly. So one thing and everything is done.
Yes.
This took you hardly 10 to 15 minutes, but you could change everything with such questions also.
Ah.
So that's
It's very good and it's very interesting also.
very interesting, very interesting.
There is one dare in it that you have to scream to your loudest
Oh my God.
at home or wherever you are sitting. So I asked one child to scream. Till no, ma'am. I said, just scream that your phone is being broken by your sister or by your dog. Just scream. So then he screamed. We need to give them a simulation. We need to give them a kind of a
Prompt. Just
yes,
do it.
Yes. So then they do it.
Then they'll do it.
So
He would be amazed. What are you saying, ma'am?
tell me one thing. Last time when you screamed,
I frankly do not remember. मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. That's a good question.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we are so bounded by our societal norms. We should not shout. We should not scream. We should be, polite. So by these things, when we are because we are not born with it.
We're not born with.
And we have our own instincts. So when we keep on suppressing our instinct, so ultimately it will
We
burst
will
out.
burst out.
है ना?
Yes.
Whenever we are aggressive, we are angry, we shout. Why do we shout at that time? Why don't we shout generally?
That will be even productive.
Exactly. You see a beautiful, peacock outside. Wow! Why don't we shout? Why don't we, scream at looking at that? No, because it's what people will think about it.
Yeah. I think we even keep that inside us. Yeah. It's wow. It's amazing. We have to say it.
Suppressing your feelings always pop up
Yes.
at some time, and it should not come out at the wrong time. It's better you keep on expressing yourself. That is important.
Well said. Last but not the least, since you have told me everything about it, and the landscape is changing of education. So what are the biggest challenges you feel like at the moment in the field of education?
There are, now a lot of cool stuff is happening in school with the technology, with AI. We have robotics in our school also, and kids are making very beautiful robots. They are making machines. They are making various games also. So this is challenging. But along with that, this mental well-being is very important. Again, at the end, I'll say that. So no doubt that this, recently you must have heard about various coaching institute in Rajasthan. I don't want to name it, but various, these things are happening. So that pressure that, that can only be released if we'll take care of our students' mental well-being. And it's a message to my parents also, to all the people in the society, that mental well-being is more important than anything else in the society, anything else in the world. If a child is mentally strong, the child can do anything. He can do wonders. You just have to give them wings.
You have to give them wings.
Yes.
With that, I will thank you for giving us such a precious time of yours. It was a privilege to be sitting next to you. Thank you. Until next time, keep shining bright.